Hi guys, welcome back. A little bit of an update. Today we're busy. Actually, we were busy since yesterday evening trying to get all our plants inside the house or in the porch. We are basically expecting Ian hurricane coming through here. It's supposed to make a landfall in Tampa. It's on its way here basically. So I went to work, rushed through work and get everything done, and came home and helped out remove all the extra pots and pans and all of my plants, orchids, Hoya, fruit tree, the one that's in the pots. So this is all my plants. They're here. There are some in the bathroom. Yeah, they are over here. Orchids. There's some more over here. So they're over there, hanging. Yeah. And I don't know if I can open this door. I don't know if there's anything on the other side. All right, so the wind is picking up. So there's more. This is all the stuff. A kitchen. There. You can see it's raining and it's windy right now. And this is the plant. We didn't take it down, so we'll see. Okay. So these are plants over here. We're gonna go to the front. We have more stuff over here. Alright, so this is some of my plants in the front. They're here. There's some over there. I don't know if you can hear the sound. It's pretty scary. But yeah, we are preparing as much as we can, really, and do as much as we can, and just praying that everything's gonna be okay, everybody's safe, no one gets hurt, and that God's with us. Okay guys, I will keep you posted and updated later. See how it is over here or how bad it is. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye.